Are you looking for a simple yet profitable scalping strategy? In this video, we will discuss an effective scalping strategy using only 2 free buy-sell indicators that you can use. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will cover a scalping strategy that is very easy to apply, even for beginner traders. By using just 2 free indicators from Tradingview, you can implement this trading strategy to earn profits in a short time. We will demonstrate how to use this scalping strategy directly on the Euro-JPY pair. However, besides being suitable for Forex trading, you can also use this scalping strategy on other assets. Before we continue, don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos. Let's get started. If you want to use this scalping strategy, you can start by accessing Tradingview. Then, go to the Indicators Search tab. In the Search tab, type Vumanchu Swing Free. After that, simply select the Vumanchu Swing Free indicator by Jazzle. Next, make some adjustments to the indicator. Go to the Style tab and uncheck several elements of the indicator. Uncheck the boxes for filter, bar color, high band fill, and low band fill. Then, adjust the line thickness for high band and low band to 50%. Once done, just click OK to confirm the changes. We will use the Vumanchu Swing Free indicator to identify the best points for placing orders in the market. You only need to follow the signals generated by the indicator. In addition to guiding order placements in the market, we will also use this indicator to help place stop-loss levels. If you are in a buy position, you can place the stop-loss at the low band fill area. Meanwhile, if you are in a sell position, you can place the stop-loss at the high band fill area. Now, add the second indicator that will be used as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicators Search tab and type XTL. Then, select the XTL indicator by Scaravano. Next, adjust the settings for the XTL indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the CCI period value to 50. After that, proceed to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the colors of the bar color and VMA according to your preferences. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The XTL indicator will be used as a signal filter in the market. There are 2 confirmation filters you can use with this indicator. Filter based on the candlestick color. If the candlestick is green, it indicates an uptrend confirmation. If the candlestick is red, it indicates a downtrend confirmation. If the candlestick is white, it means there is no confirmation in the market. In this case, we recommend canceling all the setups you have created. Filter based on the XTL line. If the XTL line is green, it indicates an uptrend confirmation. If the XTL line is red, it indicates a downtrend confirmation. If the XTL line is white, it means the indicator is detecting a sideways trend. To make it clearer, let's discuss how to trade using these 2 indicators. How to place a buy order. If the Vumanchu indicator shows a buy signal, you must ensure it is a valid buy signal before placing a buy order. Confirm that the XTL line indicates an uptrend. Also, ensure the candlestick confirms an uptrend. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick has closed. Set the stop-loss at the low band line. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the Vumanchu indicator shows a sell signal, you must ensure it is a valid sell signal before placing a sell order. Confirm that the XTL line indicates a downtrend. Also, ensure the candlestick confirms a downtrend. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the high band line. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the Vumanchu indicator shows a buy signal, you must ensure it is a valid buy signal before placing a buy order. Confirm that the XTL line indicates an uptrend. Also, ensure the candlestick confirms an uptrend. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the low band line. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.